machine learning, Internet of Things, blockchain, and digital assistants. Expectations for user experience only go up. Oracle's Redwood user experience methodology ensures those expectations are matched and exceeded by including powerful and predictive search, a look and feel that isn't just pretty, but actually helps users see what they need to do in the order they need to see it, and providing conversational and micro interactions. Oracle, as a SaaS provider, puts the customer first by increasing the speed of implementation by eliminating much of the hardware, software, setup activity. So what does this approach look like when customers adopt Oracle Cloud applications? When Oracle provides quarterly updates, they're usable immediately. Customers can focus on leveraging the new functionality instead of spending cycles on installing it. Because Oracle hosts the heavy part of the applications and customers access it via thin clients, the applications can be used from nearly anywhere and on a wide range of devices, including your smartphones and your tablets. A lot of the benefits you see here result from Oracle's provider model. Customers aren't spending time on customization, application testing, and report development. Instead, they work on the much lighter and faster tasks of configuration, validation, and leveraging embedded analytics. Because of the pricing model, it's easy to compare to an on-premises implementation cost. While upfront costs are almost always lower, overall operational costs and risks are usually lower as well. Better total cost of ownership and improved overall economics and agility for your firm. I hope you found this short session about the Oracle Cloud Application Suite useful. Let's move on to the Oracle Cloud Applications offerings and their capabilities. Hello, I'm now going to introduce you to the Oracle Cloud Applications offerings and their capabilities. Oracle Cloud Applications are an incredibly broad suite that covers many of the most important business functions, from enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, and human capital management to advertising and customer experience. These applications can help you connect all of your different business functions to improve your customer engagements, increase your business's agility, and react to change faster than ever before. A single data model provides shared architecture and master data across processes, which delivers greater control and consistency for business operations. For example, a single person record defines an employee's role, data access privileges, reporting hierarchy, and other characteristics, eliminating the need to create and maintain multiple sets of employee records. With Oracle, this global definition is shared by ERP and HCM, improving data integrity and control. All of these applications sit on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, a foundation built from scratch to support mission-critical applications. The products in the SaaS Cloud Application Suite are organized by functional groups or pillars. We have Human Capital Management, or HCM, which connects every human resource process from hire to retire, whether talent, workforce, or payroll management. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, connects and automates your financial management processes for a clear view into your total financial health. It manages the day-to-day businesses for accounting, procurement, project management, risk management, and compliance. Oracle Supply Chain Management, or SCM, is the management of the flow of goods, data, and finances related to a product or service, from the procurement of the raw materials to the delivery of the product at its final destination. Oracle Supply Chain and Manufacturing enables you to innovate quickly, execute rapidly, and scale your value chain. With Oracle Supply Chain Management and Manufacturing, organizations can respond quickly to changing demand, supply, and market conditions. Customer experience, or CX, are all best of breed applications that touch the customer from sales, marketing, service, and data. So that was an introduction to the cloud applications, and we are going to take a closer look at each of these.
then storage and distribution, then also finance and healthcare. So it's I would say it's like uh, these sectors use the ERP. So yeah, so that's what I think.
The next question, what does Oracle Fusion Cloud primarily focus on? What does Oracle Fusion Cloud primarily? I'm seeing a lot of option B's. It's correct. The next question, which type of businesses can implement Oracle Fusion Cloud? Which type of businesses can implement Oracle Fusion Cloud? I think C's now. Nice. The corner says A, large enterprises only. Yeah. Thank you very much, Abiodun. So the last question would be which is one advantage of Oracle Fusion Cloud over traditional on-premises solutions? Which is one advantage of Oracle Fusion Cloud over traditional on-premises solutions? Let's see. So people are saying C, less scalability and reduce infrastructure costs. Any more responses? Yes.
Not yet.
Hello, I'm going to take you on a tour of the individual product suites. I'm going to start off with Oracle Human Capital Management, which is a complete end-to-end solution that allows you to manage all aspects of people data, right from hire to retire. It all starts with recruiting, where requisitions are used to advertise vacant positions and candidates are managed through the hiring process. Successful candidates being transferred to the Human Resources module. Within the Human Resources module, you can configure your organisation structure to mirror that of your business, and this allows for easy reorganisation whenever the structure changes. People data is a staple element of HCM. Therefore, as part of this product, HR specialists can manage everything from the employee lifecycle, including promotions, transfers, general assignment changes, and terminations. A robust self-service offering allows employees and managers to take ownership and responsibility for the data pertaining to themselves and their teams. By removing simple data processing from the HR specialists, it not only eases the pressure on the HR department, but allows them to concentrate on more specialised tasks. The core products of human capital management are categorised within four main groupings according to their logical purpose. We have
The video stopped playing. It's no sound and then no pictures. Mhm.
our human resources. This grouping includes the elements for implementing and
back on now.
maintaining the enterprise and work structure and employee lifecycle data. This is where you would configure the organization structure as well as manage an employee's data from the HR specialist point of view. In addition, modules such as benefits, work life, workforce modeling and planning, and advanced HCM controls also sit within this category. Talent management. This category is one of the largest as it consists of all the elements that make up talent managing, including recruiting, learning, goals and performance management, career development, succession planning, talent reviews, and compensation. In addition to that, dynamic skills and opportunity marketplace also sit within this grouping. With workforce management, you'll find absence management and time and labour. These naturally sit together as most organisations that implement both configure it so that the employee can enter both work time and absences on the time card instead of having to visit two different entry points. You'll also find workforce health and safety here. And finally, payroll. All aspects of payroll is listed here, whether you're simply using global payroll, localizations such as UK, Canadian, and Mexican, and payroll interface for those organizations who run their payroll from another system and just need to extract and migrate the relevant data from the Fusion HCM cloud. When talking about HCM systems, we can't forget the employee self-service aspect of the product. For this, there is an employee experience module called Oracle Me. Here you will also find options such as HCM Communicate, Touchpoint, Journeys, HR Help Desk, and Digital Assistant. All of these combined allow the employee to take control and ownership of their own data and use the many self-help options to get the information they need quickly and efficiently. In order to control how the system behaves and how the users interact with and perform the various processes, there are configuration options that allow organizations to define such things as the user experience, workflow and approval policies, and to aid the constant need for reporting, there is analytics, planning, and data modeling. In addition to that, you can use configuration options such as extensibility, integration, so import and extracts, security, and adaptive intelligence to help enhance the system and have it working and looking the way you need it to be. Of course, much of the latter configuration items are not exclusive to HCM, but are items that need to be considered for the Oracle Fusion Cloud as a whole. And that concludes our tour of Oracle Cloud Human Capital Management.
Hi, my name's Nigel Wiltshire, and I'm a HCM Cloud Delivery Lead with Oracle University. This demonstration is going to showcase some of the main features that are associated with human capital management, including those that are associated with employee self-service, those that are associated with line manager self-service, and those that are more in line with the specialists, such as the HR specialist, or maybe the benefit administrator, the payroll administrator. So we're going to start off with employee self-service. Now you'll see at the top that the page is based on several categories, and you'll notice the first one is called Me. And this is where the employee will access self-service in order to manage and take ownership of their own data. You'll see that on the left-hand side, we have a bunch of quick actions. So if there is a particular action or particular page they want to visit, they can do that directly using the quick actions. Alternatively, they can navigate to the page and to the action using the applications on the springboard. For example, if they want to go and take a look at their performance review, they would go into Career and Performance. Now they can access all aspects of their career and performance, including skills, goals, performance, career development, and so on. And they can then further jump into performance to go and have a look at their performance documents, and where at the appropriate time they can complete and submit their performance review. Now, if I go back to the main page, another very useful area that an employee has is called journeys. Now, because a lot of what happens in HCM is process-based, and those processes potentially have lots of different steps, you can create these journeys, these checklists that the employee can follow. So when they are issued and they access a journey, they can see what steps are required. In addition, their manager can track which steps have or have not been completed. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, if I navigate back to the home page, is to take a look at the system from the line manager's point of view. So for that, we need to access a work area called My Team. And again, you can see on My Team, there is a bunch of quick actions on the left-hand side and also the applications. So if the manager wants to go and have a look at information about their team, they choose the appropriate application, such as the application called My Team. And it's from here that the manager can access information about the team, first of all, on an overview level. And if the manager was to click onto any of his or her employees, they would then go into that employee detail specifically. In addition, there are actions that the manager can perform, and they access those by going to the Actions button on the right-hand side, and you can see the actions that are available. Now, finally, if I go back to the home page, from the point of view of the specialists, be it the HR specialist or the payroll administrator, maybe the absence administrator, they have a work area called My Client Groups. And from here, again, they can access the quick actions to perform a task, or they can use the applications to get to the relevant pages and ultimately the tasks. So as an example of that, if the user here was responsible for maintaining absence plans, he'd go into the absences application, and this is where he'll find all of the tasks associated with managing and maintaining absence frameworks, including, as you can see there, absence plans. And as another example, if I go back to the home page, if I was responsible for maintaining the organization structure, then you'll see that there is an application there called Workforce Structures. If I click onto that, here we can manage positions and jobs. We can manage grades, organizations such as departments and divisions, legal entities. So again, this would be from the HR manager or the HR specialist's point of view. Now, navigating back to the home page, there are lots of other areas that can be accessed from a HCM point of view. We've got another one here called Benefits Administration. We've got another one called My Reporting. So if you are involved with creating reports, then there's a specific area for that. But what you do have access to ultimately is governed by your security protocols. So for instance, not everybody will access My Team because they're not managers. Not everybody will access My Client Groups because they're not in a role that requires them to have that. But everybody's an employee, so at the very least, you'll have the Me work area. And maybe things like help desk, so you can raise a service request. And others that are not strictly HCM, but are tied closely to employees, such as expenses and procurement. So that's provided you with a whistle-stop tour of the HCM part of the Oracle Fusion Cloud.
Yes, thank you. I feel compelled to just add to what you are saying now, based on my own personal experience. Though I had some questions earlier, which I will still ask. I just want to add to corroborate what you are saying. Okay, based on my own personal experience back home in Nigeria, my organization migrated from the e-business suite, which we were using for a while, for a long time, to the cloud fusion. You know, when the presentation was being played, so I could relate with what the presenter was saying because those were familiar interfaces. And to corroborate what you've just said now about the e-business suits being hosted individually, I remember during our annual appraisal processes, end of year appraisal process, where every staff member logs on to the e-business suite. I remember the issue we normally have with bandwidth or the response rate of the application. You know, naturally, we leave things to the last day. HR sets a deadline that, okay, your appraisal and every other thing must be done by a certain day. So naturally, as human, all of us will log on the last day. And because of the number of users, you see the application crashing and crashing. Now, at a time, we now migrated to the cloud. That was the last, at least I know I was able to use the cloud for about 3 consecutive years before leaving Nigeria. So I brought this up just to corroborate what you are saying and to say, yes, I have witnessed it. Thank you.
Hello, is my screen visible, please? Okay, so the first question is, what is the primary purpose of Oracle HR Cloud? What is the primary purpose of Oracle HR Cloud? I'm saying B. A lot of options. There's no other. Okay, thank you, Abiodun. So the next question is, which HR function is supported by Oracle HR Cloud? Which HR function is supported by Oracle HR Cloud? I'm guessing option B is the answer. What is one advantage of using Oracle HR Cloud for workforce management? What is one advantage of using Oracle HR Cloud for workforce management?
Yes.
The next question is, which of the following is a feature of Oracle HR Cloud? Which of the following is a feature of Oracle HR Cloud?
The B has it.
Yeah, thank you, Angela.
Yeah.
The last question, how does Oracle HR Cloud help in employee recruitment? How does Oracle HR Cloud help in employee recruitment?
That's A.
Yeah, hello, Mr. Abiodun. Sorry for interjecting. I asked a question in the group, in the chats.
Where's the chat? Okay. It's what the HCM ERP.
Hello, the next part of our
Not yet.
tour is to look at Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, which is a complete modern cloud ERP suite that provides your teams with advanced capabilities such as AI to automate the manual processes that slow them down, analytics to react to market shifts in real time, and automatic updates to stay current and gain a competitive advantage. Oracle ERP Cloud automates the entire record to report process and provides a single source of truth for global financial reporting and compliance. Within ERP, we have the broadest and deepest suite offering everything you need from financials, project management, EPM, risk management and compliance, and ERP analytics. Looking in a bit more detail, we have financials, which is a global financial platform that connects and automates your financial management processes, including payables, receivables, fixed assets, expenses, and reporting. And it gives you a clear view into your total financial health. Project management offers a single project cloud solution designed to help you gain a complete picture of your organization's project finances and operations, seamlessly integrated across the enterprise with the Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP, HCM, and SCM applications. Enterprise Performance Management helps you model and plan across finance, HR, supply chain, and sales, and streamline the financial close process and drive better decisions. Risk management and compliance is a security and audit solution that controls user access to your Oracle Cloud ERP financial data, monitors user activity, and makes it easier to meet compliance regulations through automation. Risk management and compliance uses AI and machine learning to strengthen financial controls to help prevent cash leaks, enforce audit, and protect against emerging risks, saving you hours of manual work. ERP analytics complements the embedded analytics in Oracle Cloud ERP to provide pre-packaged use cases, predictive analysis, and KPIs based on variance analysis and historical trends. Those are our ERP products and the modules within them. That was a quick tour of the Oracle Fusion Cloud Enterprise Resource Planning Solutions. Hello, in this demonstration, I'm going to take a look at financials, which is one of the key areas of Oracle Cloud ERP. There are a number of key features for the financial modules, and I'm going to highlight a few of those for you now. For example, we have our role-based dashboards and work areas which push issues and work to users, extensive spreadsheet integration across the finance function, and a unique reporting platform built on a multi-dimensional data model which maintains summarized balances in real time for interactive reporting and analysis. And these reports can be viewed in the Financial Reporting Center, which is optimized for tablet and mobile use. You can see the financial applications across the top of my screen here. And I'm going to take you into the Payables Invoices work area. And here you can see these containers across the top of my page, and these are known as info tiles. And this is where we have real-time alerts embedded into the work areas to proactively monitor processes, track the status of transactions, and draw attention to issues and exceptions that may require a response. If you select one of the info tiles, the relevant transactions are displayed on the same page. You don't need to navigate anywhere else, so action can be taken immediately. Single-click actions like approving an invoice or releasing a hold increase productivity when performing simple tasks. Our extensive spreadsheet integration across our finance functions. This is for data entry. As you can see here, we can create invoices using a spreadsheet, but we also have spreadsheet available for entering journals in GL, adding assets to our asset books, and entering expenses, etc. In addition to that, we have a number of rapid implementation spreadsheets to streamline the setup configuration. And notice also, once I selected one of these info tiles, I could export this list of transactions to Excel for further analysis. Let me quickly show you another work area. This is our fixed asset work area, which has the same info tiles sitting across the top, which is going to highlight all of the important tasks and things that I might need to resolve for my assets. So additions that need attention, adjustments, transfers, retirements, etc. And if I come to the task panel, you'll also see our spreadsheet integration. We can add assets in a spreadsheet, adjust assets, transfer assets, retire assets in a spreadsheet. Moving on to our unique reporting platform. We have an S-based cube known as the GL Balances cube embedded in General Ledger. And as I mentioned, this stores financial balances in a multi-dimensional database for interactive reporting and analysis. Now I'm going to take you into the Financial Reporting Center, which, as I mentioned before, is optimized for tablet and mobile use. I'm in my Financial Reporting Center and I'm going to run the Supremo US income statement. And this is an example of a report that's been written using the balances in the General Ledger Balances queue. And here's our income statement. And as you can see, I have the ability to drill down to the transactions to interrogate the balances. Let me take you back to the home page. So that was a quick tour of some of the key features of our financial applications.
Okay, the first question is, what is the primary function of Oracle Financial Cloud? What is the primary function of Oracle Financial Cloud? Seen a lot of managing company finances, accounting, and compliance. I guess. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating. The next question would be, which of the following is a key feature of Oracle Financial Cloud? Budgeting and financial reporting. Same, to be honest. Okay, the next question will be, how does Oracle Financial Cloud help businesses with decision making? I'm seeing a lot of A, by providing real-time financial data and analytics. Nice. The next one is, what is the benefit of Oracle Financial Cloud in terms of compliance? Okay, we're seeing a lot of option B. It ensures financial regulations and auditing processes are automated. That's correct. The last question will be, which financial process is optimized by Oracle Financial Cloud?
That's a B again.
That's a B. Nice. I guess payroll and financial close. Process. Yes, it is. Thank you very much, everyone.
Can I? Payroll.
The farmer said payroll has to do with finances.
I think it has to do. Can I? Yes.
Supply chain management in its simplest form consists of planning, sourcing, manufacturing, inventory, warehouse management, order management, fulfillment and delivery, and return, refund, change, cancel and renew. Planning is the foundational element in the supply chain. 3 levels of planning around strategic, years, tactical, months, and operational, daily. A move to subscription, services-based model would impact decisions around things such as how many distribution facilities are needed and where. How do we increase revenue by 10%? And what needs to change in our supply chain configuration? Predictive analytics and AI are playing a big role in supply chain planning. Subscriptions are making things more predictable with more consistent demand and less fluctuation in order volume, making forecasting, inventory management and scheduling easier. With the subscription-based models, ensuring the right products and services are sourced and made is more important than ever, as businesses have made a commitment to their customers to deliver the goods and services, whether curated items, consistent shipment of the same good, or a service on top of a complex product. A subscriber could be left unable to use the product or service they paid for if this portion breaks, ultimately leading to a negative brand experience. A key consideration in this category is what type of product is being offered. Is it pre-built, not customized, or is it made to order? For industrial and high-tech companies, embedding IoT sensors into products will be necessary to enable tracking and triggering of services. Feeding off making the correct supply-demand of products, how you warehouse and manage inventory is just as crucial. Inventory management ensures that your customers get access to the right products in the most efficient way. Inventory levels, SKU counts, may shift up or down as well, depending on the type of offering you're launching. If offering a curated service, a wide assortment of constantly changing SKUs is needed. If offering a replenishment service, inventory can be easily predicted, shipping from the most efficient warehouse or even drop shipped. Fulfillment is often known as the pick, pack and ship part of supply chain, with delivery entailing order tracking and receipts. For subscriptions, this could mean shipping a physical good and activating the subscription upon receipt, or the fulfillment could be instant with digital downloads and access. Having connected processes in place ensures the billing and revenue recognition is applied correctly on the goods and services. In order to recognize any revenue, the business has to have delivered the services to the customer. Service subscription-based models add in a lot of complexity around the servicing portion of a subscription. Unlike a one-time purchase, subscriptions can be changed, amended, cancelled. All of this can be done mid-cycle, impacting revenue recognition. Although most monthly services are generally non-reimbursed, the same cannot be said for annual subscriptions. By accurately tracking deferred revenue, it becomes possible to handle customer cancellations quickly and efficiently. Renewals are also part of the servicing aspect of supply chain. Having an accurate picture into renewals feeds into planning, manufacturing, and inventory forecast. This is a constant cycle as information analytics feed into the planning process. Supply chain is all about having the right products available to ship to the customer at the right time in the right quantities. This depends upon the robust forecasting and supply planning capabilities of Oracle Supply Chain Planning, and where appropriate, detailed collaboration with customers, suppliers, and even contractor manufacturers. Purchasing of raw materials, services, and goods for resale is handled by procurement, and manufacturers of both discrete and process type products can take advantage of the robust functionality of the work definition and execution modules, as well as a highly tailorable quality management module. The inventory module monitors quantity on hand and product movements throughout the enterprise with specialized functionality of warehouse management. Products including finished goods and aftermarket parts for distributors, as well as raw materials and sub-assemblies for manufacturers and also services, are all managed throughout their life cycles. The order management module takes care of pricing, tracking, and fulfillment of customer orders, along with the specialized logistics functionality of global trade and transportation management. A dedicated model to support preventative and corrective maintenance of company resources is also part of the SCM landscape. And that concludes our supply chain management tour. landscape. And that concludes our supply chain management tool.
A full page of pertinent metrics and key performance indicators. Welcome to this quick tour of Oracle Cloud's supply chain management application landscape. It's a fully integrated suite of applications designed to streamline your SCM processes. Here we are on the homepage landing pad. The choices displayed depend on our role and assigned privileges. As we can see, this user has access to quite a bit. The SCM applications are organized into logical clusters. For example, supply chain execution is the gateway to Oracle Cloud's manufacturing applications, work definitions, work order execution, as well as maintenance, quality management, and inventory management. The user can also take advantage of the quick actions to launch their most frequently used tasks in a single keystroke. If we scroll down a little bit, past the requests for approval and FYI information, past the news and announcements from our enterprise-wide publishing, we can see the various analytics, including tailorable analytics, user-defined analytics, as well as some seeded ones, including plan to produce. These infolets highlight metrics of interest and also serve as launch points directly into the appropriate application. For example, it looks like there are 17 high-severity quality issues. A single click reveals what they are. We're now inside the quality management application. Let's click on the overview page. A variety of infolets provide an immediate snapshot of quality issues and actions for this user. Returning to the home page, let's check out our inventory situation by selecting or launching the inventory management application or work area. We can see there are $279 million worth of inventory on hand in this particular 001 organization. Here too, we encounter a full page of pertinent metrics and key performance indicators. For this on-hand value, a single click reveals the top 10 items making up that on-hand value. Let's click on that first item. Manage item quantities displays now exactly where the quantities are. In this case, they've already been put away into the store's sub-inventory. And nothing is left in receiving or is inbound. Instead of returning home, let's use the favorites and recent items icon to quickly view an item that this user has flagged as a favorite since their manager regularly asks about it. There it is on the favorites list. So we're leaving inventory management and are now in product information management. In other words, our product hub. Product hub serves as our single source of the truth for all items. And its specifications page contains all the execution and planning attributes needed by order management and procurement and planning to properly manage and transact an item. PIM's overview page also displays a variety of item governance metrics and KPIs. Notice the supplier products infolet. It tracks items suggested by suppliers via the supplier portal if you have enabled your suppliers to communicate that way. And the import batch infolet tracks uploads of new and changed items from external sources, including legacy ERP systems. The items for definition highlights, in this case, a new digital camera that needs attention. A single click would reveal details about the new item request workflow, including who needs to provide what additional information before this new item could be used or it could be approved for use. By the way, infolets with no data just means that they either don't apply to this particular user and can easily be hidden from the standard view, or there just isn't anything pending by or for this user at this time. Instead of returning home, there is another way to get around, and that's via the navigator. Depending on our privileges, as always, we might be able to get into procurement and take a look at purchase requisitions and agreements and purchase orders, take a look at our receiving, or get into pricing information for sales order management, for our customer orders, as well as the actual customer orders themselves. Finally, the last stop on our quick tour is supply chain planning. For this, let's return to our home landing page and move over to supply chain planning. This is where pertinent data from the execution applications is automatically collected for planning's use. Statistically calculated forecasts from the demand management application are automatically fed to supply planning as demand schedules, resulting in a holistic, multi-level, multi-site, detailed material and detailed capacity requirements plan. Plan health is revealed through a summary of infolets, each of which is supported by underlying pivot tables and graphs with predefined and tailorable drill-to options for root cause analysis. Gauges and color coding make it easy to identify areas of concern with user set thresholds for target levels such as revenue and margin. Each planning infolet provides mission-critical information. For example, a quick glance at the demand at risk summary is all that's needed to identify which item is in trouble. Root cause analysis and taking corrective action is accomplished by drilling to the demand fulfillment page to see which work orders, or which orders rather, sales orders are in jeopardy, and what are the system recommended expedites or capacity fixes regarding procurement, production, transfer orders, and so on. And of course, approved recommendations and planned orders in the form of PO recs, new work orders, and inventory transfers, as well as reschedule recommendations, are then automatically transmitted back into supply chain execution or to an external execution system. As we've just seen, Oracle Supply Chain Management cloud applications are indeed fully integrated and designed to streamline your SCM processing. Thanks for watching this quick tour.
Hi, Angela. Can you please help with reading the question?
Okay. So, question one, can everybody see the screen? Okay. Question one says, what is the main focus of Oracle SCM Cloud? Okay, I think the B's have it. Okay, question two says, which of the following is a key component of Oracle SCM Cloud? I think we already have the answers. We have, yeah, procurement and order management. Okay, so moving on to question three, it says, how does Oracle SCM Cloud help with demand planning? Is that B? Okay. I think I'm seeing B. Okay, so that's the B. B has it. Question number four. Which of the following is not managed by Oracle SCM Cloud? It says C. I'm seeing the, okay. Employee training. I think the last and the final question is 5. What is the key benefit of Oracle SCM Cloud for businesses? B has it again this time. Cost. Yeah. No questions from my end. I don't see
Hi,
any.
Abiola. Hi. Sibitayo, yeah. Thank you very much for the session. I've really learned a lot. And then I also know that there's a SaaS tool called Sena Millennium that is used for electronic health records management, and it was and this service is offered by Oracle, the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. But I know that we didn't touch on this SaaS throughout, discussing the Fusion applications. So I just want to know, where does this fit in the pie? Thank you. So Cerner Millennium is a SaaS tool offered by Oracle. It offers electronic health record management by hospitals. Thank you very much,
Yes.
Abira. I actually still wanted to say something. So yeah, you also did touch on you mentioned legacy systems. So I want to know how you factor in, managing the existing legacy system in an organization when you want to migrate their data to the cloud. Okay. It makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
ADBC.
I'm here. Thank you. I just want to revalidate my assumption. I want to believe that the Oracle ERP is from Oracle, while the SAP ERP is from SAP. Am I right? And both of them are subdivided into modules or workflows, like you have said. What's the major difference between the two, apart from being from two different manufacturers?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Damlabin.
Yeah, hi to everyone. I'm Damlabin and I'm joining right here from Calgary in Alberta. Yeah, so it's my first time to be here. I just saw the link in a WhatsApp group of my community because I'm a Cameroonian. So yes, thank you. So I just have a simple question. I just, since the beginning, we are just talking about the advantages of this ERP cloud-based solution. So I just want to ask if there is any disadvantage of this new technology comparing to the old fashion, which was, let's say, server-based in a physical server-based in locally in a company. So that's my first question. And yes, to end, the second question is this is just like it will be more oriented to about career opportunities. Yeah, because me, I have a background in IT from because I'm just 1 year to Canada. Next month it will be 1 year that I'm in Canada, and I have a small background in IT. And right now, I'm get training to database administrator. I'm following a program right now at SET, which is just a I think at SET here in Calgary. So as database administrator. So I'm just at the beginning of my training, and I just want to know what would be, or let's say, how can I use this knowledge as, let's say, database administrator when as I'll finish this program to, let's say, to take more advantage in this Oracle, let's say Oracle ERP. And also, what is the particular, because now like you say you are more specialist of SAP ERP, but you are, let's say, vulgarizing this Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. What, let's say, what would be uh, an advantage of going into the Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP right now in terms of jobs opportunity? Thank you. And sorry for my English. French is my first language, so I'm still learning English. Thank you. Sure. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Recording stopped.